This is your YouTube debut. Say hi, I'm Judy.
No.
Hi guys, today we are trying to clear some space in this cabinet up here that we haven't really gotten to use this whole year because it's been taken up by that thing. I don't even know what it is, but Joe ordered a tool called like an oscillating saw, so let's see if it works. Ear protection. Come on, baby, you're gonna get traumatized here. Come on. Go on. Woo. Woohoo! Yay! Finally! Wow. It's actually quite spacious in there.
And I have to remove the outlet plate up here. And then hopefully, and there's a couple screws down here. But hopefully if I remove all those screws, this will just come off. It was just a pain to try to undo this with the piece that was here. It with a board.
Wait, what are our options?
It's either take the metal sheet out and replace it with a wood board so it creates a space, or I leave it, screw it back in place, and then cut it down to where it's just the flush black panel so there's no like stuff sticking out.
Is that possible?
Just a lot of cutting.
Maybe if we... Could you turn that back on? Maybe if while you're doing the cutting, it's more like out so it's easier to access? What it... Because honestly, if you just cut it like here, that would give us enough space. Like you don't have to actually cut all the way flush. Maybe just like right here so this thing isn't protruding. Okay, the cutting is done. Now we just need to stuff those wires and then we'll be able to fit bins in it. So we'll show you the end result. This is Chili Bean. She's a cutie. I love her. Hi, Chloe. Hi, Chili Bean. This is your YouTube debut. Say hi, I'm Chili.
Oh.
Okay, well, the cabinet is done. Now we can put baskets and bins and all sorts of stuff. This has expanded our storage space by quite a lot. We have not had this space for a whole year and a half, so finally. Okay, testing out the space. Oh. Wow, it fits in perfect. I think we have to do a reorg of these baskets probably. Okay, so that's it for this video. Maybe we'll start doing more short YouTube videos. We'll see, but make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And remember, home is where you park it. Oh.